Terry, a point for you this evening. Are you pleased with that result?
Oh, yes, definitely. The boys have worked really hard since I've gone back in there. And obviously, they picked up bad habits over the course of the season. Hopefully now we're trying baby steps just to get them back enjoying their football. And I think tonight showed that, you know, it's the pennies dropped and they're starting to get better. And the reward they had was going 1-0 up first half. Second half, he went a little bit sloppy. We sort of conceded too much ground. But no, overall great, you know. And the dressing room is a happy dressing room at the moment. Good.
Ryan, nid y canlyniad oeddech chi isio, nid y perfformiad oeddech chi isio?
Na, ddim o gwbl. Os fi'n gofyn i'r boys i wneud rhywbeth yn wahanol i beth sy'n digwydd ar y cae, fi sy'n cymryd bai, ond pan chi'n rhoi egwyddorion clir ac rhoi details clir am sut mae'r gêm yn ei ddigwydd ac yn hyfforddi nhw ac yn rhoi gwybod i nhw sut mae'r gêm yn ei chwarae mas, mae'n anodd i gymryd wedyn.
Joe, ydych chi'n hapus efo'r pwynt yna?
Yeah, definitely. Mae wedi bod amser hir sydd ni cael pwynt, so yeah, definitely hapus.
Be ydych chi'n meddwl wnaethoch chi yn dda heno a?
Wel, oedd mynd 1-0 lan yn gyda'r help fawr, ond i fair play i'r boys, ni jyst digo deep a really gweithio'n galed a yeah, neis i gael pwynt ar y diwedd.
Yeah, that first half especially felt like one where you created a lot of chances. It seemed like you were in control of the game almost at times.
Oh yeah, we felt that. And it was strange, half time, it was difficult, you know, when going in and all of a sudden we 1-0 up. It was new for them. And it's, I think I gave them too much praise. I think I'll change my mind next time if it happens. Yeah.
8 gêm rwan heb fuddigoliaeth. Ydych chi'n poeni am yr hediad yma?
Fi'n poeni mwy am y pethau ni ddim yn neud ar y cae, mwy na unrhyw beth arall. Chi'n cael sawl gêm, gêm gyfartal ni wedi cael dros y tymor, a dwi ddim cweith digon da. Fi'n newydd gweud wrth y boys na, fi ddim credu bod nhw'n demando digon o'i gilydd o flaen gol a pethau fel yna, a maen nhw jyst yn meddwl bod y cyfle nesaf yn mynd i dod, ac dyna beth sy'n digwydd heno. Ni wedi cael 8-9 cyfle, ac digon oedd fi gweud o'r diwrnod arall, ond dwi ddim. Dylen ni fod yn ennill gemau fel yna. Dwi yna ddim yn golygu dim byd am Llanelli, achos maen nhw wedi dod fan hyn heddi, a gosod lan a fod yn egniol dros ben. Ond os yna ni gyda unrhyw chwant i fod y tîm ni moyn fod, ni gorfod ennill gemau fel yna.